Subscribe to English Learners YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Good, bad, day, night, broad, narrow, harsh, mild, clever, stupid, clean, dirty, before, after, below, a verb, begin, end, import, export, in, out, tall, short, easy, difficult, dawn, dusk, question, answer, find, loss, accept, refuse, joy, sorrow, ugly, beautiful, insane, sane. Phrase, old, follow, precede, admit, deny, teach, learn, weak, strong, expand, contract, slim, fat, optimist, pessimist, friend, enemy, succeed, fail, give, take, soft, hard, catch, throw, flat, hilly, brave, coward, artificial, natural, active, inactive, crooked, straight, odd, even, comfort, discomfort, big, small, hot, cold, boy, girl, open, close, inside, outside, heavy, light, dry, wet, few, many, full, empty, standing, sitting, create, destroy, far, near, top, bottom, dark, light, sleep, awake, old, young, rich, poor, left, right, cheap, expensive, visible, invisible, buy, sell, front, back, healthy, sick, noisy, quiet, wise, foolish, dead, alive, major, minor, rural, urban, fix, break, guilty, innocent.